Are you trying to learn data science but can't decide between Datacamp and 365 data science? You're not alone. Today, we'll compare these two popular online learning platforms. Both Datacamp and 365 data science help you learn data science skills. They offer courses on topics like Python, SQL, and machine learning, but they have different styles and features. Let's start with Datacamp. Datacamp focuses on interactive learning. It offers hands on coding exercises that let you practice right away. The platform has a wide variety of courses and tracks. You can follow a specific path based on your goals. It's great for those who like to learn by doing. Now, let's look at 365 data science. This platform offers a more structured approach. It provides a comprehensive curriculum that covers many aspects of data science. You'll find video lectures, quizzes, and projects. It's perfect for learners who prefer a clear roadmap. So, what are the key differences? DataCamp is more interactive, while 365 data science is more structured. If you enjoy learning through practice, DataCamp might be better for you. But if you like a step by step guide, 365 data science could be the way to go. When it comes to features, DataCamp has a strong focus on coding exercises. 365 data science offers a mix of videos and practical tasks. Both platforms have community support, but DataCamp has a more active forum. In terms of pricing, both offer subscription plans. Datacamp tends to be a bit more flexible, while 365 Data Science often provides a one time payment option. In the end, if you want hands on practice, choose Datacamp. If you prefer a full curriculum, go with 365 Data Science. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons like this.